How to send end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store, tap on the source icon, simply tap on the source bar and search for Messenger. Now tap on Messenger and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on Open. Now tap on the three lights at now tap on now tap on the three lines at the top left corner and go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Now tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Now click on Message Storage. Now simply tap on Turn on Secure Storage. Now enter your chat pin. Now wait for some time. Now once you're done, simply tap on Back. Now go back. Now tap on the message box. Now open up any of your chats. Now here you can find End-to-End Encrypted. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.